Let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're unlocking the secret to mastering Quranic Arabic word by word. Sure, you can read the text, but grasping the actual meaning? That takes a bit more effort.
So what if there was a clearer, super structured way to understand exactly what you're reading?
Meet NorAI. It's a total game changer that teaches you Quranic Arabic entirely word by word. The curriculum actually introduces over 2,000 specific words to systematically build up your vocabulary. And these words are broken down across 20 levels, taking you step by step through the whole language. It's literally a stepping stone path, guiding you seamlessly from basic alphabets right up to complex objects. But here's the best part. You aren't just reading. Every single lesson is totally interactive. It relies on a simple 4-step cycle. Learn the word, understand it, practice, and then review. You track this entire learning cycle right from your own personalized, totally intuitive home dashboard. To nail the pronunciation, clear audio is paired directly with super helpful visual mouth diagrams. Plus, vibrant visuals connect to the vocabulary, like visualizing a soul to make the meaning instantly memorable. These engaging illustrations help you easily associate Arabic words like mother with real-world, everyday concepts. You even lock in your learning through fun, interactive on-screen letter tracing quizzes. And get this, practice works fully offline. It's scholar-reviewed, completely safe, and totally distraction-free. Built for literally everyone, these small steps earn you points, unlock exciting levels, and build long-term mastery. Consistency builds mastery. When you finally understand every single word, what deeper meanings will you uncover?